Hello everyone, I am playing Ponytown right here. Oh my god. I'm playing Ponytown right here. I'm going to join sooner or later. I'll stay on maybe until I, want to leave and play something else, like Roblox and all that stuff. I'm gonna start with play on safe server. So, ooh, wait, I need to see if something works. So slash sleep? Frick. There isn't. Shoot. There's Rarity right here. Hello, Miss Rarity. Is there any like Fluttershy, Rainbow Dashers? Oh, this is Eye Patch. Let's see what others they have. And yes, I am pressing shift to like walk slower. Oh Jesus. You know, I'm just gonna lay right here. I'm just gonna lay right here doing absolutely nothing at all. Oh my god, what do you want, Discord? Thank you. Well, there's nothing to do because I'm just too stupid to chat with other people and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna lay here and do absolutely nothing. And once I do that, I'm just going to play something on my phone. So you guys can just look around and just do some stuff. I'll stay in here for a little bit. But remember, I'm gonna end the recording, but remember, I am on the Play Safe server. This is my server right here. So just in case you guys want to play with me, I'll be there. Alright, see ya.